I've been checking out the Gawfolk 49-inch curved monitor, and honestly, for the price, it's pretty impressive. This ultra-wide display gives you a massive 32.9 aspect ratio, which is basically like having two 27-inch monitors side by side without that annoying bezel in the middle. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or juggling multiple windows for work, the extra screen space is a game changer. For gamers, it gets even better. You get a 165 Hz refresh rate, a fast 1ms response time, and FreeSync support, so gameplay feels smooth and responsive. Sim racing and open-world games especially look fantastic thanks to the immersive curved design. Now, there are a few compromises. The 3840 by 1080 resolution isn't as sharp as a 4K display, so text can look a little stretched at times. The included stand is also pretty basic, and color accuracy isn't quite at premium IPS or OLED levels. But considering this monitor usually sells between $300 and $400, it's hard to complain. If you've been dreaming of a huge ultra-wide setup without spending over $1,000 on something like a Samsung Odyssey Neo, the Gawfolk 49-inch is one of the best budget-friendly options out there.